Don't pay for any AI tool in the EU bubble until you watch this video. This could save you thousands of euros. Today, anyone can build AI agents without coding and with a simple subscription to one of the frontier models like Mistral, Lechat, now called Vive, ChatGPT, Claude, and many others. And agents do a lot of things that some people will charge you a lot of money for. One example? An agent that knows everything about your MEP and helps you prepare for meetings, tabling amendments, and many more interactions. I'm going to set one up with Brando Benifei, who is a key MEP working in the field of artificial intelligence. I'm gonna tag him in this video and then see if my agent was good enough. Step 1. Use a deep research function. I'm gonna use ChatGPT to get to know absolutely everything that has been published about your MEP. Make sure you get not only the political group and the committees, but every single piece of legislation that he or she has been part of, opinions shared on articles back at home years ago, things that have been said about him or her. All that information is really valuable. Step 2, let's create the AI agent. An AI agent has 3 parts: instructions, memory or knowledge, and actions. To begin with instructions, we need to tell the agent why we're creating this agent, what are the rules, what are the restrictions, what do we want this agent to do for us at the end of the day. For memory or knowledge, we're gonna upload the research about the MEP, any piece of document, PDF, Excel, internal notes about that MEP, we are going to upload it in the agent itself. And step 4, the moment of truth, you can start testing this agent and see if it responds to you in an accurate way. Try to push it, try to make that agent give you scenarios. Also, one more tip is that you can include in the knowledge your own policy position and the position of your adversaries, and then try to play different scenarios on which your adversary is making a move and how that MEP would react, and therefore how you should be reacting. That's really fun. That's a really fun and practical exercise. We do this exercise and many more in our AI for small public affairs teams workshops taking place online and in Brussels. All the information is in the comments. The first one that you do with us is free, so really there is no excuse. Join us and discover the power of this amazing technology.